Email Service Provider, ESP, and Autoresponder. What are autoresponders? Autoresponders are extremely vital email marketing software tools that apply the concept of automatically sending emails to subscribers when triggered by certain events. Autoresponders are often used as email marketing tools to immediately provide information to their prospective customers and then follow up with them at preset time intervals. For example, a welcome email for a new subscriber sent immediately after they sign up, or a membership renewal reminder sent annually. Both examples are of autoresponders applying the concept of automatically sending emails to when triggered by certain events. What does an autoresponder do? Autoresponders are best known for their highly effective email marketing tool characteristics that allow you to send broadcasts or a series of scheduled follow-up emails to customers based on specific parameters you set. This simple example will explain to you how autoresponders help you in achieving your email marketing goals and objectives. Now, let's say you need to send a follow-up email to your shoppers who have purchased a specific item with a special coupon, or notify them of related products, accessories that could go well with their purchase. By appropriately setting your autoresponder, you could set it to automatically send out predetermined messages to your shoppers. What is an email service provider, ESP? An ESP is a service that hosts email marketing services on their servers, which are particularly optimized for this purpose. While you control your email marketing account and send out emails using a web browser interface, the ESP servers do the remaining cyber errands. If you tried sending bulk emails through your regular internet service provider, ISP, there is a high chance of your campaign getting blocked, as regular ISPs are not set up for this purpose and sometimes prohibit bulk mailings. Email service providers and email marketing. Choosing the best ESP to host your email marketing campaigns is very important. You need one to suit your needs. Committing to an ESP is not a short-term thing. You need to find an ESP capable of maintaining a long-term relationship to build trust and credibility. And with anything, when new, things need warming up, and this is no different with ESPs and autoresponders. Look at it from this perspective. When you register with an ESP, the ESP is happy to take on new business, but their number one priority is to look after their shared pool of IP addresses. ESPs do not want their reputation being tarnished. The problem is, whenever you send lots of emails or spammy emails from a fresh new dedicated IP address, ISPs take notice. ISPs can control the email deliverability, which in turn affects the ESP. Now, this is an indication of the trustworthiness of an email sender's IP address, which is used by ESP, who could use additional email filtering. So, in a nutshell, to protect themselves, ESPs could impose filtering criteria to your campaigns, thus affecting the results and deliverability. Just like a credit score is used by financial institutions to decide the terms of a loan, ESPs use a score to determine the terms for filtering your emails. But this is only one of many data points needed to determine how ESPs may be junking, filtering, blocking, or bulking your emails instead of delivering your email to inboxes. Now, that being said, another thing that you do not want to be doing is switching ESPs at a later date, as uploading your subscribers into new autoresponders can cause problems. ESPs do not like importing leads from other sources. They prefer you collecting your leads directly into their autoresponders via application programming interface. How to select an email service provider. There are various email service providers who have different autoresponders available in the market, but it is essential to know which ones are best suited to your needs. Some factors are described below. Credibility. It is important to see how long the email service provider has been in the industry. The longer that they have been in the industry, the greater the understanding between them and giants like Gmail, Hotmail, and Yahoo. This means that your emails are then less likely to be marked as junk by the servers of above-mentioned ESP giants. Deliverability. This is the most important feature to look at when choosing an email service provider. This is where messages need to get into the customer's inbox. The higher the deliverability rates, the better. Remember that this factor is very important if you want to get through to your customers. User interface. This one is generally ignored even though this factor has its own level of importance. If the email service provider's autoresponder is unpleasant and is disorganized, one can conveniently conclude that the level of service will not be up to the mark. It's preferable to have a nice, modern email marketing service provider so that the process in itself is easy. It's usually good to sign up to trial accounts and test their service before making a final decision. Autoresponders. Where would we be without autoresponders? Autoresponders are one of the most useful and effective features of cloud-based email services, ranging from simple functionality right through to complex masterpieces of programming. As a business owner, you're always looking to find simple ways of encouraging your prospects to come back to you and make purchases again and again. Autoresponders allow you to set up a few emails and responses, select a schedule, and sit back while your communications are sent out at specified times to encourage your customers to make repeat purchases. Autoresponders provide cost savings and time efficiencies, ensuring that all of your customers are welcomed, greeted, and responded to at any time of the day or night. Now, this is a lot to take in and research, so here at Kick-Ass Emails, we have listed a few of our tried and tested autoresponders. There are others that you can try. Aweber. Aweber's main strength is its capacity of scheduling follow-up emails for customers. Now, you can set up a series of messages that will be sent out to new subscribers at specific periods of time, and the delay between each email is scheduled according to when the last one was sent. This means that thousands of customers can join at any point and still be given the right delay between updates. Aweber features follow-up, customizable HTML email marketing templates, sign-up forms, RSS to email, create emails automatically from your latest blog post, a full-featured API, and much more. Not to mention a robust learning database featuring live webinars, video training, a complete knowledge base to help you navigate the features, and a blog with insider tips on maximizing your email marketing campaigns. You can now upload leads and not have them confirm their subscription again. This is an awesome feature introduced by Aweber. That being said, Aweber is undoubtedly one of the best autoresponders out there. GetResponse. GetResponse lets you create stunning newsletters and landing pages in minutes with capabilities including one-to-one personalized messaging, customized offers, and more with targeted accuracy and perfect timing. Its drag-and-drop editor makes it simple for anyone, designer or newbie, to create captivating email messages with ease. It provides strong analytics, creating visual representations of your reporting metrics and allowing you to make changes to your approach. Setting up the autoresponder functions is simple to perform, as is sending, tracking, and monitoring your email marketing campaigns. GetResponse lets you set up a suppression list, allowing you to choose which emails certain people get from you. You then get on with creating your campaign, using over 350 templates or making your own with the HTML source editor capability or Word-style design tool. Mail Minion. Powering small to large business and corporations around the world, Mail Minion email marketing solutions provide its clients with the ability to send large quantities of emails out to their clients. From email marketing, where you can design, schedule, and track your email marketing campaigns, to transactional email services with high deliverability for your company's in-house emails. You have the ability to send and schedule your emails whenever and wherever using any device, tablet, mobile, or PC. The support staff is very knowledgeable and extremely helpful. If you have never used an autoresponder before and do not know how to set up your account, then Mail Minion staff will be more than happy enough to assist and guide you through the whole process. MailChimp. MailChimp is one of the most frequently used email applications. With customized sign-up forms you can integrate into your website or your Facebook page, social sharing integration, dozens of customizable templates, and a full-featured API to sync existing customer databases, shopping carts, and more. It has a friendly, engaging interface that somewhat makes up for the fact that the MailChimp team doesn't offer any support for free customers. The service includes a range of templates, simple integration with Facebook, Twitter, PayPal, and Zendesk, and offers a non-technical wizard to guide you through the entire process from start to finish. You can time delay messages to a schedule, upload images, and get up and running with the whole system pretty quickly. Autoresponders. Autoresponders is an all-in-one integrated platform that delivers essential business features, including a powerful CRM system, membership sites, one-click WordPress hosting, outstanding email delivery, payment processing, direct mail printing, affiliate management, and our innovative business automation suite. In terms of price, it's a bit more, but the deliverability is really good and has some really awesome features. Constant Contact. If you've heard of email marketing, you've probably heard of Constant Contact. It's one of the most comprehensive email marketing applications on the web with a variety of ancillary tools, such as surveys and event marketing, that you can add on with a fee. Constant Contact's built-in analytics are pretty awesome, as well as its impressive customizable template database and social sharing features. Constant Contact lets you set up autoresponder sequences relative to your sign-up date, meaning that once a customer subscribes, you can set up a series of communications based on where they are on the customer journey. iContact. iContact has also made a name for itself in the email marketing scene, offering hundreds of email marketing templates to choose from, an easy drag-and-drop interface for users without advanced design skills, and integrated social sharing features, so you can share your messages with Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Deep Contact History offers an in-depth view of your previous interactions with each subscriber so you can manage your relationships more effectively. If you want to take your marketing to the next level with iContact, they provide a premium service that offers advice and expertise on how to optimize your marketing through email, as well as best practice and enhanced support as you develop your online marketing strategy. SendLoop. SendLoop is the easy way to send email newsletters, list management, campaign management, integration with awesome apps such as Eventbrite, Highrise, and WordPress, and even a full-featured API for developers are included. Vertical Response. Vertical Response offers email marketing as one component of its host of marketing products, which also includes social media marketing, event marketing, online surveys, and other applications. Now, with more than 700 email templates to choose from, real-time analytics, and easy share functions, Vertical Response is a comprehensive email platform. The Vertical Response offers a pay-as-you-go per email price structure, so you're only paying for the services you actually use. These are a few, but you are not limited to these choices. There are many, many more autoresponders, too many to list, but these are the ones that we are using or have used previously.